creamery and butchery building, as we call it, opened 6.5 years ago now. We went to EasCan for the creation of the steel framework and exterior for that building, which is a 15,000 square foot building, semi-unique design that we came up with, and then they did the work to give us the skeleton and the structure to begin with. We've used EasCan in the past, and I didn't personally have a relationship with them at that point. Told them who I was and where I worked, and the Masstown Market name is a respected name, and they knew when I called, whether they knew me or not. If I said we were doing something, they knew we were serious, and it went on, from there very smoothly. So the creation of the building, which was far more than a manufacturing facility, it's got a personality and a uniqueness of its own, designed to resemble a downtown or old-fashioned main street. And so the building is certainly designed and structured to be an attraction as opposed to just a working manufacturing plant. The center might be 30 or 32 feet, and a lot of windows and a lot of light, natural. So the steel structure was mandatory to support what we were trying to do in there. We have a tremendous amount of stainless steel equipment for our milk processing, cheese manufacturing, butter, ice cream, a lot of weight, freezer space. So we needed a structure robust enough to support what we wanted to do in there with the grand design that we were looking for. We have seen tremendous growth over the last 6 years, 20 and 30% a year, that in both the butcher shop and the creamery, which houses those, which the building was built to house, as well as we have Christmas at the creamery, or Christmas craft market, and other craft sales through there. So yes, in the last 6 years, we've seen tremendous growth. But I found the experience very good. And if I'm not mistaken, their quote that they gave us was so close or bang on that if there was any alteration, it was because we requested something different. And so financially, they treated us properly, and the process was, I know they're local, but they're very professional, and they had their steps down. I didn't have to, again, not my background, so I was happy to have someone lead that process. And the work that they did was great. We've had, we've been there for 8 years. I don't think we haven't had to call them back or ask for anything. So, it was done right the first time. So, and their guys were all great. They were just, they were good to, right from the top on down. They proved that our folks can work with them, and everybody's territorial. You have, but when the trades can get along and work together, it's because they've got good people. So if someone's putting up a structure, whatever they're doing, and they need steel work done, I have zero problem recommending them whatsoever.